Hello everybody, in this video I will show you the most essential Linux or Unix commands that you have to know. If you want to automatize tasks, you have to know these commands. You have to know at least these commands. If you want to improve yourself in the field of hacking, you have to know these commands. If you want to work in any Linux or Unix-based system, whether it's a server, it's a Mac, or it's a Ubuntu, it's any Linux machine, you have to know these five essential commands. So that much motivation, I think, is enough. And please, before starting, do not forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. So let's start at terminal. It depends on your system, but in my system it's as it is. So when you start your terminal, the first thing that you want to know, or we want to know, is where are we? So we will try to answer this question. So we want to print the working directory, the directory we are in. It will be abbreviation of print working directory. So instead of writing this command, I will say pwd. Pwd will tell me where I am, my location in the file system. Okay, I am in the user's kcell folder. This is my home folder. And then what? What is inside this folder? Now, the first command is print working directory, pwd, and the second most important command is listing the files inside this folder. For that, you have to just type ls. As you can see, when I type ls, it shows all the folders and the files, of course, in the folder that I am in. I don't like this kind of column showing way, so I can decorate a little bit more this command. I will type ls and then I will put a space, and after that put a dash and put an L. It means that show them in a list format. Okay, when I do that, you can see all the files in this folder in a list format, in a column format, basically. Actually, it tells you a lot of information about each folder and each directory, but I will not go into this kind of details right now. Okay, now we saw that where we are. We saw which files and folders inside this folder, but we want to change the directory to any one of them. For example, I have many things in my downloads folder, and I want to go there. To go there, we have a command for change directory. The short of it is, of course, cd, but where? Change directory to where? We have to write the W. In all Linux or Unix systems, if you press on tab, it will complete if it is unique. So it completed. I want to change the directory to downloads. Now I changed the directory to downloads. I am inside downloads. Let's verify we are really inside downloads folder with pwd. Now, as you can see, it's inside user's kcell where we were before, and now it's inside downloads. Let's list all the files here. I can do ls-l, but I don't want to see all the files. I want to just see the most recent files. Therefore, I will decorate it a little bit more, and I will put R and T also. It means that list them according to time in a reverse direction, which means it will put the most recent files at the bottom of the terminal screen. As you can see here, there are many files and folders, of course, inside my downloads, as in all. Okay, I want to do, for example, let's I have a movie here. I want to make a copy of this movie, and because I want to modify the copy. Sorry. Okay, now copy is very easy. Basically, we write cp, and I will write img tab. Okay, I want to copy img tab to what? Oops. Let's go to here, and I will say duplicate. I named it duplicate MOV. Okay, and let's do again to see if we really copied it. ls space dash lrt. As you can see here, now we have a copy of it. What if I want to move this copy file to somewhere else? For example, to the folder that I was in, to the upper folder. Now we are coming to the fifth command. The first one was pwd, the second one was ls, the third one was cd, and the fourth command was cp for copying. The fifth one is move. Move which one? img underscore duplicate to where? I want to go to the upper folder where I came. Okay, now this means basically copy this img movie, img underscore blah blah movie to the upper folder. Let's do that, and let's do ls and rt again. As you can see at the bottom, the file that we had is not here. Now let's go back to the previous folder. If you remember how we change the folders, it was with cd, but do I have to write everything? No. Actually, if you put just after space, if you put a dash, it means go back to the previous place. Now I will press enter. As you can see, it has already told us the folder that we went. So let's do again ls lrt, and as you can see here, img duplicate mov is here. Let's summarize and finish our commands. The first one, print working directory. The second one is listing files. The third command was changing the directory. The fourth command was copying some files. And the fifth command was move. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's all. Have a